this is how the recording sessions works. Let's say that you cannot join the live sessions and you want only the recordings. Okay, all you are going to get is access for the SharePoint, and in this general folder you are going to have all the recordings of the previous team members. Okay, this is again, we are designing it or we are updating it, though the recordings are available, our team is editing it, you are going to have it. But from day one you are going to have both basics and projects, all the sessions recordings as well as videos. Now, will you be left out? I will not be joining the session. Someone from the team will conduct 1 hour session for all the members who took the recordings. It will not be only for the specific group. And in case if there is any question for you, like where can you find this information, where can you find this information, they will guide you, and that you can learn on your own pace. So if you're seeing here, again, this is Teams. My view is different from yours. Basically, you will be given access to UiPath basics, and in UiPath basics in general folders, like you will be given access to the view only recordings and view only program recordings. So here you have all the edited videos, so you can watch them based on the days, and along with that you can also check with the notes. Okay, and you, the moment you pay for the projects and basics recordings, you will also be given for the general access, and here you will have access for all the notes. Again, this will be in the SharePoint for you. You will have view only access, and if you want to download some softwares, those are available over here. You can download that, those are available. And if you want to download some project resumes, those are also available over here. And if you want to check with some paid certification, some details are available here. So most of the things are available for you to download. Few things that are proprietary to our organization, like the coding test documentation. For example, if you want to check what robo you gave as an interview question, so this is the interview question and you can get the detail about it. And there is an IMOCA interview that happened, and it's applied management interview question that you can check. So all these interview questions and all are view only. You cannot download or you cannot make any changes with them. So that's how recording works.